Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to send SMS on Redmi A5. So to do this, you should go to your home screen and after that click on that SMS icon on the bottom of the screen. And to send an SMS, you should click on Start Chat. And after that, choose which person you want to send your SMS. For example, I will choose this number. And after that, you should type your text. For example, I will write test 1. And after that, click on that green SMS icon and your text message will be sent. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.